added only contacts to the SOT, and I did next, and it just worked.
Mm.
And
It's
if only,
possible. Yeah, maybe it's the session replay kind of glitch. Like maybe this modal appeared initially, um, like,
mm,
and they
be-
tried to skip, and then
yeah,
it got the
yeah, because there's another thing. After the model, it just got like normally when the user see the model, the step is not skipped. The user will be brought back to where he was and
right.
needs to add. So that's how it is. Yeah, maybe it's just the session replay as you're saying.
Yeah, yeah, it could be. Um, okay. Well, then yeah, maybe it's not actually an issue. Let's see what else was there. Um,
Um, I'm not sure if we had those like merging the phone number and the SMS step in one screen.
oh
Did
yeah,
we get did we get those in previous builds, or this is the first build?
I think this would be the first build.
Oh yeah, so yeah.
So we'll need to test onboarding a lot. So now that we updated, we are now with this the new refactor. That's I suppose it's okay to delete and reinstall now. It'll be like a new user, I guess. We'll go through onboarding.
Yeah.
Okay. And it'll still have the refactor. So essentially we'll still be testing if everything's okay with the
Mhm.
stability too.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Okay, then I'll start getting into the onboarding testing. And
Yeah, and for Android, it was like about the nav bar, making sure the nav bar it's always there, not
that's
not cropping off any other buttons or content. So yeah,
that's right. Okay, yeah. Well, I'll have Todd take a close look at that. um, yeah, Todd, when you get a chance, have you this time you can delete the app and go through onboarding, and the onboarding should be a smooth, clean experience with the nav bar and keyboard and everything. But if you have any issues, let me know.
Okay, we'll do.
Okay, thanks. Cool. All right. So was there was there anything else you guys had left out of this? I can't remember if there was still like a little bit more that you wanted to do, but maybe it was like more of a phase two, or where do you stand on the recent changes we made
as for my changes, I think they're all there. There's no phase two for my changes.
between you and Ismail with the work you? I know you guys kind of collaborated on some of this refactor. Is it is there anything additional, any additional safeguards or anything we were going to consider? Like yesterday, we talked about um, handling a potential edge case. I don't think
I
that. Yeah,
e, yeah, I'm not sure. I think Ismail worked on it, right? Ismail like
if you were an
What
onboard,
edge case?
if you were an
the game.
onboarding and stopped, did you handle that case?
Sorry, can you repeat that one more time? I was breaking off a little bit.
Yeah, how would you explain that? I mean,
Yeah, it's the case like if the user mid onboarding close the app and open it.
Oh, yeah. As I mentioned at the beginning, I had had the user do mid onboarding, and then I updated the app. I finished it. It worked. I had the user do 70% of onboarding. I closed the app. It worked. I had the user do 90%. It worked. I had the user do 100% of onboarding. It worked. I had the user start from fresh. It worked. I had the user already onboarded. It worked. So I did all the possible scenarios I can think of, and I did not have any problems.
okay,
In build 92, of course. In build 91 there was one problem that I fixed. In build 92 it should have fixed them all.
okay,
And we can test that. It might be a little tedious to test, but we can go to like build 90 or before, do maybe halfway onboarding. Like by halfway I mean before, like just enter first name, last name, um, and see what happens. Just enter the date of birth, maybe enter it all. So yeah, but I did test it, but I would obviously always encourage other people to do the same, just because they could maybe think of something that I didn't.
hmm okay, okay, great. So then, so I mean, there was also a case you were going to look into where if the user closes the app at the SOT screen, did you look into that one yet?
No, I did not look into that. Yesterday I was working on the fingerprint and stuff, making sure like I did it as a model, making sure everything is in place. Also fix the other issue that we it's the one like where you see the onboarding, sorry, the splash screen often, because like
Hmm.
we had some code there how it's being laid out, and I fixed that too. So, and I
Oh,
fixed that without breaking. Like it's not deleted. It just like I rated it in a way it's not causing the splash screen often.
really? Okay, great. And then this, but it's also part of the new fingerprinting approach.
Yep.
Oh,
And make sure like we have everything in place for the fingerprinting because we do this only for iOS, and went through the code again, like all the places where we rely on it. Mostly is like just the phone step when the user finishes the authentication, making sure like I'm passing what's Jerry expecting, if it's Android or if it's iOS, if the fingerprinting works. And yeah, that was the thing that I worked on like mostly yesterday. I looked up that the other issue that I saw like I get a little bit of time trying to introduce and understand what's going on, but I couldn't. It's the issue you sent me to this is replay. Yeah, well I can look up today this issue with this OT if user close the app.
well, yeah. It sounds like you still have a little bit of work. Jerry wanted,
Yeah, we need to test. Yeah,
yeah. So, yeah, maybe after you do that, then
yeah,
okay,
yeah. I have plenty of time today.
great. Yeah, that would be great if we solve the splash screen appearing too often. So, okay, then are you guys at a spot now where you want to collab and finish that feature up?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Does that work, Jerry?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, cool. All right, then. Anything else? Anybody need anything? We're gonna go ahead and stop there. Were you gonna say something, Jerry?
Nope.
Okay. Okay. Well then, great. Looks like we're making really good progress. This build feels really fast and stable. Got a lot of good improvements. I think we got the additional logs in too, so that might help us determine why some of these auth tokens are expired too soon or invalid, all that stuff. So looking forward to getting this released. As soon as it's approved, we'll get it released. So yeah, okay. So I'll let you guys get to it and just reach out if you need me. I'll be here all day. I'm gonna continue working with our overseas partners and start getting some of these communities built up on an international level. They're growing really fast, and the engagement keeps increasing every day. So it's really exciting. So I'll be around working on that. And like I said, if you need anything, just let me know.
Yep. Sounds good.
All right, great. Thanks, guys. We'll talk later.
Thanks. See you later.